one ya. Okwa makego, ego, makego, ego, makego. Ka one cheme bu one ya. Okwa makego, ego, okwa makego, ego, okwa makego. Kezi no jiri baba kata kata. Okwa makego, ego, okwa makego, ego. Money is the root of all evil. Oh, if we let go, ego, ego. Hey, money rules the world. Even Mando Blackball. Hey, they would do anything to get their hands on money. Money rule the world. This is not a joke. Money is the root of all evil. Can't you see? Okwa makego. Can one day buzi one day. Okwa makego. Ego. Makego. Ego.
Now lie flat. Lie down flat! Do you know why I'm going to spare your miserable life? Because I want you alive to tell your husband that I came. Tell him that I'm giving him 12 hours to do the need do. 12 hours to share the money equal. Or else, he will have himself to blame. Please, please, please. He will do what? To do the need do. Oh no, you can't even pronounce simple thing. 12 hours to share the money.
The money, yes, the money.
Share the money what?
Equal. He'll give you all, please.
Mogo.
Obo makego efola konkoa anyukwu adịla mma mancha anyukwu ebe ọ bụ na anyị bi n'udo onye were tu ibe ya were efugo n'onwe.
Mommy, why does Uncle want to kill us?
I don't know. Where is my phone? Are you on my phone? No.
One obo makego efola konkoa.
Madam.
Tell your boss. If I come back here again.
I will.
No soga megini.
Okay, man.
No soga megini.
Okay,
PDP share the money equal. No addition, no subtraction. Liverpool. Diallah. PDP share the money equal.
Baba kata kata okwa makego money is the root of all evil. Oh, if we let go money rules the world. Even Mando Blackball.
Honestly speaking, I am no longer interested anymore with that money. Please, call him and give him his share of the money. End this moment.
I am not sharing anything with him. Yes, Felix cannot do me anything. He's just trying to inflict fear on me. But he doesn't know I'm not a coward.
You are saying all this because you weren't at home when he came. Because if you were around, if you had witnessed what I saw here today, you won't be saying all this. And thank God you were not at home, because it would have been tragic. Maybe you would have been a dead man by now. Please call him and give him his share.
My dear, Felix will not do anything. So do not fear anything, please.
Oh my God! Why are you trying to be stubborn here? Can you listen to me? That your brother is very mean. He can come back here now and things will blow out of proportion. Please now. Call him, give him his own share of the money. From your own share, you can settle your mother and your sister, and that settles it. After all, you've been taking good care of them before this money came by. Because you are now...
Do not fear anything. I've told you. If Felix tries me, I am going to take him to a place that he will never, ever, ever like.
Desmond, the best thing you should do right now is to call him and settle him. Let him go with his own share. You can settle your sister and your mother from your own share. After all, you've been taking good care of them even before this money came by. Please listen to me now. Please.
See, please stop saying anything like that, because my late father will not like it. I am fighting for justice, and I'm going to fight it till the end.
Desmond, why are you so stubborn? Why are you stubborn? Do you have plans to make me a young widow? Do you have plans to make me a widow? We've been living very okay here, not like we're lacking anything. Why can't you call him and give him half of this money, his share of the money? Let him carry his problem and go. What is all this? Let me ask you, this money you are dragging with your brother on your life, which one is more important? Which is more important? Desmond. Desmond, I'm talking to you. Hey! Somebody help me! My husband has gone mad. You don't want to listen to me again, okay? You don't want to listen to me. Hey! Desmond has gone mad. My husband has gone mad. Somebody help me. Somebody help me talk to him. Oh. Desmond wants to make me a widow. Desmond. Hey, God.
Hello, Kate.
Juliet, how are you?
I'm fine. Kate, you're sobbing. What's the problem?
It's your brother Felix.
What about Felix?
He has made up his mind to kill my husband. Your brother.
No. Felix can't kill Desmond, and he knows it.
Kate, things has gotten out of hand right now as I speak to you. Could you believe he came to the house with a gun looking for my husband, your brother, to kill?
What?
Had it been he was at home when he came, my husband would have been a dead man by now.
Felix came looking for Desmond with a gun?
Juliet, do me a favor. Call your brother. Tell him to give Felix the whole money. He can have all the money. Yes, please. His life cannot be compared to the money. Yes, I am not ready to become a young widow. Biko, call him.
It's okay. It's okay. Don't worry. I'll be coming to the city, okay? Alright, take care.
Udo udo kanyi na cho. Ebudo di okaniru na tinunu.
Has he gotten to this?
When we try to live in peace, together we shall stand, but divided we will fall. Can you weep on your nego? Can you believe no?
Jackie, why not come to our house again? Bob, it's not my fault. My parents don't want me to come and see you. Really? Same here. Even my mom don't want me to come and see you too. Bob, my dad is even telling me that your father is an evil man. Is that true? God forbid, my father is not evil. Bob, I know. Your father is a nice man. I don't know why my dad is saying that to him. Okay, come, let's go to our house. No, Bob, my mom will kill me if she finds out. Okay, let's go to your house.
my house. I want you out. Join your ancestors.
My darling, what is it?
It is Bob.
Bob. Bob did what?
I saw you in my dream.
What is wrong with you? Listen to me, Jackie. I don't ever want to hear that name in this house again. Never. Am I well understood?
No.
Shut up. I hope you're not trying to tell me to take you to his house, because I would do no such thing. Shut up! What is wrong with you and this Bob in this house?
This is becoming stronger by the day. Mama, I have this feeling that Felix is up to something.
Mama, things have really gone bad right now.
Hey.
He said he wants half of the money. We're even ready to give him all, if that will make him spare the life of my husband.
Honestly, something has gone wrong somewhere. Felix is acting so strange.
Mama, we don't have time for all this right now. Please. I know my husband can sort you and Juliet out from his own half.
But what is your husband saying about it?
He's not saying anything about it. He's not even taking it serious. Reason I'm here. Mama, thank God he was not home the other day. He came threatening with a gun. He would have been a dead man by now.
Hey.
See, Mama, there's no time to waste. You have to follow me to the city. Maybe you can talk to him. I believe he will listen to you. Please, I've been begging him. We don't want trouble anymore with him. We just want peace. Please, I don't want to become a young widow.
Okweche muna nyibinudo nenoa Obo makego Efola konkoa Anyuku adila mamancha Anyuku ebobo na anyibinudo Onye were tu ibe ya were Efugo no one more Wamogene nesokuo Akwebo bonanyi binudo nenoa Wane opo makego
Desmond! Brother! Desmond, you cannot leave it now! Desmond! How can you? Hey! Brother! Hey! Mama! Mama! Mama, get up now, Mama! Mama! Hey! Brother! Mama! Mama! Hey! Brother! Brother, get up! Get up! Hey! Hey! Mama, get up! Mama, get up! Mama, please get up! Hey! Brother! Mama, get up! Hey! Hey! Mama, please, Mama, please, Mama, get up! Get up! Mama, please, get up! Hey! Brother! Mama, get up! Hey! Hey! Mama, please, Mama, please, Mama, get up! Get up, Mama! Brother, get up! Hey! Hey! Honey!
What is it?
Is this a dream?
What is it? Talk to me, what is it?
I had a nightmare.
A nightmare?
Terrible.
What is it all about? Talk to me.
I saw you.
You saw me? You saw me where?
I saw you dead. Felix killed you.
Babe, see, I've told you, Felix cannot kill me. Maybe that was the last thing you had in mind before you go to sleep. Yes, and that was what you saw in your dream. I've told you to stop thinking about this thing that Felix killed me or Felix cannot kill me. Stop thinking about it.
No, I'm scared. I'm scared. I know what I saw. I'm scared.
Sweetheart, you see, you don't have to be scared. Come on, let's go back to sleep. It was just a dream.
No, this is more than a dream. It looks so real. Yes, it's not just a dream. I know what I saw. Baby. Listen, I want you to make peace with your brother, please. For the sake of your life, I don't want to lose you.
Please, stop crying, okay? We'll talk about this tomorrow. See, I have this strong feeling, strong mind that Felix cannot do anything to me.
You know my dream usually come to pass. I beg you in the name of the Lord, make peace with him.
Baby, please stop occupying your mind with these negative things. Please, I'll be fine. Felix cannot do anything to me. Believe me.
Honey, please. You're very important to me. I do not want anything to happen to you. I love you so much. I do not want anything to happen to you. I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
Sweetheart,
please,
see,
make peace with your brother.
See, stop occupying your mind with negative things, okay? Nothing will happen to me. Yes, nothing will happen to me. Believe me, okay?
Let's pray, please. Let's pray. Father, in the name of Jesus, Father, we thank you for the gift of life.
Phil, are you aware your husband came looking for my own husband with a gun to kill him?
I thought I made it known to you that neither you or any member of your family is welcome here. So what exactly are you doing here?
I have come to make peace.
Hey.
Phil, never forget that if anything should happen to any of them, you and I will be the ones to suffer it. Is that what you want?
You have come to make peace, or you have come to deceive me? You think I'm a fool? You think I don't know that your husband have sent you to come here and convince me to calm my husband down in order for you to take the money? Ne, you are smart, but I am smarter than you are. Nonsense.
Phil, tell your husband to leave my husband alone. Yes, you should not forget the fact that they are the same blood.
You know that they are blood brothers, yet you prevented your stupid husband from sharing the money he was supposed to share and give my husband his own share. And you're here preaching. Go back and tell your stupid husband that it will not work. In fact, everything has scattered already. Yes, let him bring the money. Let him give us our own share of the money. Then peace will reign. That's the only thing.
My sister, we have to come together. Because women are known for peace. Let's put whatever we have behind us and unite this family.
No, there will not be peace. In fact, everywhere is pieces already. There is no peace unless your husband brings the money and gives to us. No peace at all. What do you think? You think I'm a fool? You think you come here and pretend to be a good person and then you talk to me and I will accept? I'm not going to do anything. Don't tell me that nonsense. If not, I am telling you to your face, if not, I am seeing you becoming a widow in a very short while.
Phil?
Enosia. Enaba. The door is wide open. Mama.
Juliet. How are you?
Fine.
I hope everybody's fine.
Yes, brother. Everybody's fine. Brother, what is the situation now?
Everything is fine. Just that Felix is still proving stubborn. But nothing special.
I heard he came looking for you with a gun. That is why I came.
Yes, my wife said a thing like that. But I don't think he's up to anything. He's just doing it to scare me and to have his way.
Did you just say that? Desmond? No. Did you just say that? Felix is a very mean person. And he has decided to kill my husband, your brother, so he can have his way and have all the money for himself. Yes! Everything was revealed to me in my dream. I know what I saw. I keep telling him he's not listening to me.
Brother, I am scared. And Mama too. We all know that whatever Felix is doing is not with his clear eyes. It's the evil spirit that is in him. Let's look for a way to end this fight. Please.
So what are you suggesting?
I'm suggesting we share...
See. I am not going to share the money 50-50 with him. Yeah? I'm not going to do that. So if you have any other thing to tell me, go ahead and say it.
Wait. What did I hear you say now? Sweetheart, can I ask you a question? This money in question and your life, which is more important to you?
See, you people don't have any idea of what I am fighting for. I am trying to protect something. I am buoyant enough to live my life without this money. I am fighting for my life. I am fighting for my prestige. I am fighting for my family. What do you think that people will say when they hear that I denied my mother and my sister of their own rights in this family? It's untraditional, my dear. And I'm the first son of this family, for crying out loud.
You are trying to protect your name. Of what use is your name when your life is gone? You're trying to protect your name and forgetting your own life. Are you thinking at all?
Personally,
What is this now?
I think I need some rest. Okay?
Brother.
I'll see you.
Juliet, you see it? You see it? What is this now?
It's okay.
What is this now?
It's okay.
Can you see this man now? You see this man? I don't want trouble. I don't want trouble. I know why I'm saying this thing. I know what I'm saying.
Let's sit down. Let me tell you something.
Hey.
I suggest we arrest Felix. Yes. Let him be in the police custody to avoid further attack. Excuse me? Have you gone nuts? Have you lost your sanity? How dare you come into my house and speak to me in such manner? Come on, get out of my house! Are you sending me out of my brother's house? I don't need to remind you that this is my brother's house and I can stay till whenever I want to leave. And let me also remind you, in case your head has gone dumb, Felix ceased to be your brother ever since you and your useless family denied him of his rights. He was never denied his rights. Rather, it is he who wants to take another person's right. He wants to take my right and that of my mother's. Negodigi, are you not very stupid, senseless and insensitive? Look at you, a woman for that matter, blabbing now your picture over what? Over something that doesn't belong to you. Over something that can never belong to you. You are a woman. You don't have a say when it comes to the matters of men in the family. You don't. You are dragging your brother's properties. You don't have right. You don't have a say. You're not supposed to talk in that family. You're struggling to get the wealth your late father left behind. As what? Are you not foolish? What will you do with it? Instead of you to allow your two brothers to use the money and take care of their beautiful families, you are here dragging money, talking rubbish. Won't you go and get married? If I want to, won't you? Phil, I am not here to trade words with you. I am here to give you the last warning. Tell your husband to desist from this act. Else, it will be dangerous for him. And I do not need to remind you that he's not the only one that knows how to handle gun. Hey! Anomia. Commando, in fact, you are the best person that handles gun in the whole world. I'm feeling, but my sister, for what? I got to do this. Now, take your miserable, senseless body out of my house now. Ona, and if I say no, and how dare you say no in my house? Get up and get out! Did you just touch me? I will touch you again. Did you just touch me? Take your miserable bag. I'm going nowhere. This is your ababa and get out. This is my brother's house. I am going nowhere. Yes. Ona, don't touch me. Don't just touch me. Don't touch me. Whatever, come here. I'm going for you. Nonsense.
My brother, please, I'm begging you. You're like a brother to me. Calm down. I will give you this money. Please.
Felix, don't come close to me. I gave you this money for the past 1 month and you don't want to pay me back my money. It's Shoribadan village. Do you want to send me to the village? Huh?
Everybody can get money at the village. If not for the problem I have, what is 5 million? I will give you your money. Maybe before, I will still pay back. It's just this problem, my brother. You know too well now.
Bullshit. I am going to take this worth 5 million naira here now and don't bother coming close to her.
Mike, please, Mike, Mike, just calm down. I will give you your money. I will give you your money. Calm down now. Mike. I can't get what I'm like. I can't get to me again. No, I want to know about this mass. Mike, because Mike, they need that mayor.
Mike should have been considerate. After all, you have rendered him help in the past.
Exactly. In fact, I just don't understand. He acted like a total stranger. He acted like someone I just met.
Can you imagine?
If you see the kind of insults this guy rained on me, this guy abused my life. In fact, he disgraced me.
Wow. And I do not blame him. That's a businessman for you.
Which businessman? He's just being wicked, plainly wicked. Because we've done loads of things together. I don't expect that attitude from him.
That is why I'm surprised. Anyway, I don't blame him. I blame that useless brother of yours. He has obviously gotten what he wants. The embarrassment that he wants to come to our family, he is coming and I believe he's happy wherever he is. Because if he had shared that money and we had gotten our own share, all this nonsense wouldn't have been happening.
Of course. And I would have been the biggest importer in our line.
Hey! Desmond, it shall never be well with you in this life and even in the life to come. My God will continue to punish you. Desmond, it shall never be well with him. As far as I'm concerned, he will suffer.
How do I cater for my family? How
how do I take charge of my responsibilities? What am I supposed to do? Where am I supposed to get money to pay him back?
A brother that doesn't want his brother's services does not deserve to bread. If I were your shoes, with fear, I would have told you long ago. The gist about 150 million would have been dead. Think, use your brain and stay down.
Hello, Juju. Yo, bro, he just left now. He has gone to the market. How are you? How is Mama?
Money rules the world. Even man don't be a boy. They would do anything to get their hands on money. Money rule the world. This is not a joke. Money is the rules of all evil. Can't you see? Okwa makeko. Ka one night ye buzi one day. Okwa makeko. 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 Ka one night ye buzi one day. Okwa makeko. Okwa makeko. Okwa makeko. Kezi no no chiri baba kata kata. Okwa makeko. Okwa makeko. Money is the root of all evil. Oh, if you let go.
Okay, on that.
Money rules the world. Even man don't be a boy. They will do anything to get their hands on money. Money rule the world. This is not a joke. Money is the rules of all evil. Can't you see? Okwa makeko. Ka one night ye buzi one day. Okwa makeko. Makeko. Makeko.
We're in this house now.
Where have you been? You didn't tell me you went out. I've been looking everywhere for you.
My brother Desmond has joined his ancestors.
Chimo, what happened to him?
I shot him.
Hey!
He has gone to spend his part of the money in the grave.
Chimo, you killed your brother. Eh? Felix, you killed your brother. Why do you have to do that now? Eh?
Why? Are you for real? I thought it's what you've always wanted.
I've been saying it, not like I meant it. And you went to kill your brother. Felix, you went to kill your brother.
There's no time for this rubbish. Please get ready. We're leaving here right now. Where's Jackie?
Where are we running to?
I don't know. Stop asking me silly questions. We need to leave. Where's Jackie?
Jackie is in school. No, you shouldn't have killed your brother. I've been saying it, not like I meant it now. You shouldn't have killed your brother. And now you're a murderer. And where do you want us to run to? Do you have money?
Please get ready. We're going to leave.
Where do we go? What is wrong with you? You're not a murderer.
Money rule the world. This is not a joke. Money is the rules of all evil. Can't you see? Okwa makeko. Ka one night ye buzi one day. Okwa makeko. 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 Ka one night ye buzi one day. Okwa makeko. Okwa makeko. Okwa makeko. Kezi no no jiri baba kata kata. Okwa makeko. Okwa makeko.
How is it feeling now?
I wouldn't know.
Don't worry. You'll be okay.
Money rule the world. This is not a joke. Money is the root of all evil, can't you see? Okwa makeko, ka wanne chebuzi wanne ya. Okwa makeko, 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 ka wanne chebuzi wanne ya.
Dad, where are you coming back from?
You ask as if you don't know. Where else will I be coming from if not from my man's heart?
You and this your man. That guy has finished everything in your body. You better leave him now so that you have something left for any guy that will ask for your hand in marriage.
Gine!
That's if somebody will even come.
Gine, come here. I hope you're not trying to insult me.
No. Am I mad? How can I insult you? I'm only trying to advise you. That's if you were innocent.
If not for one thing, I can't make you go full blow. Anyway, have you heard that Desmond is dead?
Which Desmond?
You ask as if you're not in this village. Which Desmond again are we talking about, if not Robert's son? You know Julius' brother now?
He's not dead. It's only that his brother Felix shot him. But he survived it.
Hey, that means I'm the one having the wrong information here.
I got it from the right source. He's not dead. I heard Onny saying it.
I'm even planning to go to their house to sympathize with them.
You better go back. It's the first news.
Ifola konkoa Wamugeni nesokuo Okweche muna nyibinu done noa Obo makego Ifola konkoa Anyukwa dila mamancha Anyuku Ebobo na anyị bi n'udo onye were tu ibe ya were efugo no nwanne m gwa m gịnị na-esokwu akwa ebobo na anyị bi n'udo n'ụwa nwanne ọ bụ maka ego Ifola konkoa Ego danya.
Brother Felix is wicked. So if not for God's intervention, like Brother Desmond would have been a dead person by now.
Felix is sick in the head though. That guy is supposed to be in the psychiatric hospital. Huh? Anyway, he should thank his God that Desmond did not die. I would have been the one that will kill him.
You know, the worst of it all is that he's nowhere to be found.
You think he can hide? He can only run, but he cannot hide because I know that the ghost of our land will arrest him.
But wait, Felix has mind though. That he wanted to kill his only brother because of money?
God protects the good man. Thank God I survived it. If not, this one would have gone. Thank God.
How could Grace stand such a thing? Husband and son in a couple of months.
That would have been very, very terrible. Thank God he survived though.
Yes, sir. Brother Desmond is a good man.
Felix is very, very wicked. Very, very wicked. It will be your job.
So what are we going to do now that he's refusing to come back? Desmond, I think you need to stay back here. Going back to the city now could be dangerous for you, under the circumstance.
I will go back when I regain fully. What am I doing in the village? I only came back for Mama to see that I'm not dead.
Hey, Manana. Before you go back to the city, you will share that money.
Mama,
How are we going to do it now that he's not picking his call?
He will pick. We will keep calling him until he picks.
Well, let's put him on test to come back and take the money.
Felix knows that he has defecated in the same farm that he's clearing. Knowing that he has committed a criminal offense, are you sure he's going to come back?
He will come. He will come back. I know what to tell him.
Robert, look at what death has cost.
I just got a call from Juliet now.
What happened? What's it happen?
Juliet saying that Mama is dead.
How? What happened to her? I mean, she wasn't sick. Eh?
I'm sure it's because of Desmond's case.
Felix, how did we allow the devil into our family? How?
If you go, onya chono anikeo, iyo, obo makego. If all akonkoa emwelisio. Udo kanyina cho, ebudo doganilu na dinunu.
No, you're happy. Eh? You're happy that Mama is dead. You see what you've caused? If you had shared this money since, Mama wouldn't have died.
Yes, Mama wouldn't have died. But let me tell you people, whether Mama is dead or alive, that money must be shared. It must be.
Felix, I am not dead. I was the one that actually told them to tell you that I was dead. Because I knew that was the only thing that could bring you back home.
Hi.
Mama,
Hi.
that was rough play now. Huh? That was a rough play.
I called for this time because I'm tired of what is going on. I'm tired. This money in question is supposed to unite us. Instead, it is tearing this family apart. And I'm tired. I can't stand it anymore. Therefore, my daughter and I have decided not to partake in that money. Let Desmond and Felix share the money.
Beautiful.
Hey now. Now you're talking, Mama. You could have said this for a very long time. That won't be problem. Eh? They go Kaliji to Migaya na China for a very long time. And they delay Harry the money, man. Eh? Now you see.
Don't worry, I can get them.
I think mother, I like the problem. I'm not a troublesome person. I'm not. Desmond, you're not going to hear Mama. I believe you heard that clearly. So just write the check because I'm bored.
So you can be this heartless. You shot me because of money. Desmond, please. Eh? Don't take us backwards. You heard what your mother said. Write this check and give to him, this greedy and wicked person.
Biko, I'm going to
That check since. Write this check since.
Your problem. Eh? Open the check since. I am a niece open. There will be peace in this house.
Have you finished? Felix. Are you Felix?
He's my husband.
Are you Felix?
Mama odimu ko obu no. No to wado, he mati si anata anata.
Felix.
I'm not now. I'll say the signature now. Yeah, sign or signature now.
I sign na
not twice. When I get to the bank now.
You sign twice.
Say,
Sign
now we are talking.
My Range Rover on the way.
You're happy now, okay?
Mama, even if you look at me, you will say I'm happy.
We are very happy.
Please excuse me.
When we try to live in peace, together we shall stand, but divided we will fall. Can you weep on your nego? Can you believe no?
They carried you to China. I come on like 10 containers now.
10 or 20.
Please, you should just keep quiet. Keep quiet. You've got the money. Take.
He's angry because we won't give him shit.
So you're happy now?
Go no. Any day come and happy.
Udo kanyi na cho. Ebudo diokanilu na dinunu. Diku kwasi zeji korono. Kanyi biri nunudo. Akonkowa emwelisio. When we try to live in peace, together we shall stand, but divided we will fall. Can you weep on your nego? Can you believe no? Akonkowa emwelisio.
I hope all of you remember this broom. This is the same broom your father brought and said something about. If there's anyone here who does not remember what your father said about this broom, let that person tell me, and I'll remind him or her.
Udo kanyi na cho. Ebudo diokanilu na dinunu. Diku kwasi zeji korono. Kanyi biri nunudo. Akonkowa emwelisio. When we try to live in peace, together we shall stand, but divided we will fall. Can you weep on your nego? Can you believe no? Akonkowa emwelisio.
It's not the end of the world. Before this money came back, you've been living.
But it's okay. This money was supposed to bring so much joy and unity. But it's tearing us apart.
Mama, it's okay. We can do without the money.
Yes.
It's all right, Mama.
Will you please stop crying? Stop crying. After all, he will eat the money and the money will get finished.
Okweche mụ na anyị bi n'udo n'ụwa. Ọ bụ maka ego efola akụkụ ụwa enwere isi o. Anyụkwu adịla mma ma ncha.
Please. Please forgive me. I know I'm not worthy to be called your son. Juliet. Biko. Please, forgive your brother. I know I've hurt you so much. Biko. Desmond. Biko. Biko Malo. I couldn't have shot you. But you see, I was passing through a lot in my business. So many people I was owing. I was having problems. I just wanted to use the gun to threaten you. I never knew that the bullets will hit you. Please, Baalom. Baalom Biko. Please forgive me. Forgive me. All problems here and there. Uncle Biko, forgive us. Please. I know I'm not worthy to be called a member of this family. Biko Baalom Biko. Biko. Biko no. I remember vividly. This broom is a symbol of unity. It binds us together. Please. Please.
Mama, I've hurt you. I've done terrible and unspeakable things to you. I've insulted you so much, Mama. Mama, please. Find a soft spot in your heart and forgive me. I am deeply sorry. I'm so sorry for everything I've done wrong. Please. Unyedim, my fellow wife, I have insulted you on several occasions. Please, I'm sorry. Please forgive me, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. My husband, forgive me. Forgive me for all the insults I have rendered on you. Forgive me. Juju, remember everything that happened, how we used to play together, how we used to cook together, eat together, everything we did together. Forgive me, it's the devil's work. The devil came because I'm sorry. We have realized ourselves. Sorry. Uncle, Biko Barum, forgive us.
Udo kanyi na cho. Ebudo di organilu na dinunu. Diku kwasi zechi korono kanyi diwi nunu do. When we try to live in peace, together we shall stand, but divided we will fall. Can you weep on your nego? Can you be in the
Mama, Biko Barum.
Come here, my stubborn and greedy son. You don't know you are my son and your father.
I do not want this money again. Please, my brother. You can have it. Keep it.
No. Use it and solve your problems. Okay? I will share my own with Mama and Juliet.
No.
Then I will settle Uncle.
Obomakeko efola akonkoa emwelisio kwa mugeni nesokuo okweche munanyi pinudone noa obomakeko efola akonkoa emwelisio anyukwu adịla mma ma ncha anyukwu ebe ọ bụ na anyị bi n'udo onye were tụ ibe ya were efugono nwanne m akụkọwa enwere isi gwa m gịnị na-esokwu akwa ebe ọ bụ na anyị bi n'udo n'ụwa nwanne ọ bụ maka ego efola akụkọwa enwere isi ego dị anya bịa ọ ga-adịkwa anya naba ifugo onye chụ n'ụwa n'ike iyo ọ bụ maka ego efola akụkọ